As a part of the ongoing Law Week, the State Library hosted Andrew Pegler's seminar on the importance of plain English within the law. Andrew explains the benefit of an accessible and succinct legal language for the general public.
I think that social media is rapidly democratising language, and the law needs to move with that democratisation process and become plainer, simpler, and more in the way in which people speak and interact. Less Latin and less archaic English, more modern day language. It's all possible, it's not hard. If you have the skill and the will, you can make the law into plain English. The language of the law needs to match the language of the people, or else there is a disconnect, and inside of that disconnect there is a vacuum, and into that steps wariness and distrust. And what we need is more trust in the law, and plain English will bring more trust to the law.
Yeah, definitely the vernacular and terminology used in a legal sense can be quite confusing, and sometimes it can feel a bit disingenuous or intentionally confusing. I feel like especially the younger generation these days could benefit a lot more from a simpler, more colloquial, common English, and would help to establish trust and a feeling of honesty in the legal sense.
We've always found it difficult dealing with the legal jargon from time to time. Wouldn't it be beneficial for the society if the terminology was made interpretable for people, and if the redundant words could be avoided? For Mojo News, this is Chinmay Naik.